welcome to OnceHub Tutorials. My name is Lokesh and I'm part of the OnceHub support team. Today I'm going to show you how to adjust the time slot settings in your OnceHub booking calendar. Once you are signed into your OnceHub account, this is the interface you will see. To get started, click on the blue calendar icon in the left sidebar that is labeled as booking calendar. Then click on the relevant booking calendar that you want to adjust. Under the booking settings, scroll to the bottom and click on time slot settings. In this section, you will be able to adjust lead time, time frame limit, time slot display, buffer times between the meetings. Once you have made the necessary changes, don't forget to click the save button to apply them. And that's it. You have now updated the time slot settings in your booking calendar. Thanks for watching.